Every week I ask myself, can the boys on DigFellas ratchet up the excitement another notch? And every week the DigFellas answer, hell yeah.
I have something on it. Hell yeah! Coinage! Oh yeah! Come to the button daddy button. Tom back, baby. Oh damn! Look at that! It's a freaking dandy, another one! We got virgin territory, folks. That's 1700s button, people. Wait for it. Wait for it. Looks like a King George Copper! Let's get that whaler hat right. Who's got the newbie juice? We're hardcore diggers and we'll do whatever it takes to get to the treasure. Yeah! Our finds are legendary. Yeah! 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 I'm the best. I'm a cover boy. Progress, people. Gonna wipe out another cellar. I'd love to borrow this little one to scrape around the foundation. Yo, what is up? What's my name again? I forget.
Metal detecting legend, Bill Ladd.
So many of you might remember that my very first video, you can go back and watch, just like this. I was talking about progress. Can you hear the backloader that's less than 100 yards behind me? Gonna wipe out another sick foundation site. We are getting this place just in time. And I will show you around. This site is pretty sweet. It's got a blacksmith shop foundation. It's got 2 house foundations and a small mill site. Maybe a little sawmill was on site as well. So these people had some bucks, hopefully some to lose. We've hunted it before. You might remember this was the hunt where Kristen picked up the turtle and we each got coppers that day. Well, we are back because it was fern covered at that time. So now that it's winter, there's still snow on the ground, but there's plenty of room to hunt. Let's see if we could save some history from these backloaders. There's a mill foundation right there. And I'll show you the cellar hole in a minute. We're going to rescue whatever we can before those dozers get up in here. These here are strong indications that this is going to be developed. These are perk tests where they're like testing for water or whatever. When you see those, that means this is all going to be a house lot soon. And this right here is part of a chimney stack. This was an outbuilding that had a chimney, which probably means this right here at one time was the blacksmith shop. Alright, we still got a little bit of snow on the ground, but mostly clear areas, enough to, you know, get a coil down. And first signal right here behind the blacksmith shop. And signal through the headphones is a good one. I am testing today the Mars Goliath coil. And this fits a whole bunch of machines, and this is that really super lightweight 15-inch coil. So I'm using a 15-inch coil that's lighter than the stock coil. that comes on these machines. So let's see what we got here. In the hand, baby. Ooh, baton, nice one. Looks Tom-backish. Oh yeah, sick. Tom-back, baby. Getting it started now. Hardcore in the snow detection. Oh, damn, I love it. Oh, you gotta love this. Gotta love it. I don't use a pinpointer. First thing I see is this, which is a sick top of a rum bottle. Came out, yep. That's late 1700s. English mallet or something. Big black glass top comes out of the hole. I see that. As I'm checking that out, I'm checking this out, which looks like another button. Yeah! It is. About the same size as the last one. These are about a quarter size, I would say. I wouldn't call them coat buttons, but they're Colonial. That one's got that little hump. I don't know if it's a, could be Tom-back. We'll rub it up and see, but I love that. I'm keeping that with the stuff. You know, that's a piece of history right there. It's a piece of the people who lived here. Cool to see it come out of the same hole. Ah, damn, these guys are getting closer and closer. We're saving history just in time here. Here's an aerial view of the site. Look at nice open woods here. And one of the foundations is right there if you can see it. Looks like most of the rock's been stripped out, so it doesn't look like much, but believe me, I got a large cent right there, if you remember. And my friend got a copper over there, so this site is gonna produce. I am like inside that outbuilding foundation. I got a crazy signal. This is the corner block here. Is there something under this rock? Watch, there's a sweet signal, but this is the corner block. Look. Be neat if they put a coin under the corner block. Oh, damn, look at that. Oh. That's been sitting there for years. In between the foundation stones, probably. Looks like a button if that's a shank. Gave me a heart attack because it's got that odd shape like a tree coin does. Damn. Imagine there was a tree coin sitting on top of this rock for 250 years, 300 years. I'll take the button though. Dang. Might have been slipped in there when this place was built. What's neat is that's the shank, and it got squished between the rocks. You could say that, you know, probably when they put this place together, the guy's button got caught and squished in between the foundation stones. 250 years later, I'm finding it. Another nice button signal. This site is just crazy. We've been here maybe an hour, if that. Oh yeah, this is a virgin site. We've been here less than an hour. It's either virgin site or it's been hit by the Whites team, one or the other. Damn, look at that, bottom of the plug. Looks like a spoon handle. Oh yeah, be a rat tail spoon. Oh, what the? It's brass. Oh! It's like some kind of old slide rule thing. Is that what you call these? Yeah, you can still see the wooden part. I've seen up at Sturbridge, they make baskets and stuff with these. I don't know that it's all that old. It's not Colonial, but it's a neat relic anyways. Cool. Some of the wood's still intact. Well, this is the original wagon road into the site. You can kind of see it. And right on the wagon road's a good, well, button type signal. Oh damn, I see it. Oh yeah, down in the hole. Oh, that was thick. I thought I had a Logi. It's a big giant coat button. GW sized. That's where the shank was. Yeah, that big hump right there. This is Colonial all day, and I see some patterns. Not the G and the W pattern, but there's some hand-carved swirls. That's cool. Right on this cart road. That was a crap signal, but it was pretty far down, maybe on edge. Sweet. Oh, yeah. Site is sick. We're saving history. You can hear the bulldozers behind me. Yeah, let's get this in the light. See the pattern there. It's like some scratched in wavy design. That's 1700s button, people. Went to a Colonial cloak. Sick. Oh, we're about an hour and a half in. That ain't bad. Waiting for the coin. They're here. Yeah. We're saving whatever we're getting just in time. These guys are buzzing right behind us. I'm still working this roadway. That's where the dandy button was, and the dandy button was right here, and like a foot from it. Ooh, what's this? What's this? Ooh, I thought it was a bullet. It ain't. It's a thimble. It looked just like a modern bullet, but it's a brass thimble. Look at that. Obviously we like silver thimbles, but this is another relic. We're saving history here, folks. Oh, hell yeah. I don't know if you can see, there's one of the new houses they just built. There's another one up there, so this place is gonna be gone soon. I'm glad we're getting some buttons out. I am right in front of the foundation, another good button type signal. The buttons have been reading in the 50s. I see 54, 60. Good signal. Let's hope it's a coat button. Alright, should be out. Ooh, hell yeah, there it is! It's only a 50 something, so I don't think it's a coin. It's another broken coat button. Oh man, this one still has silver gilt on it. Oh man, I hope this ain't a broken GW. You know what, I'd take it anyways. You can't, it's a piece of history. This is fun. This is real fun. I'm gonna savor the moment before I flip it, because you don't know if it's got a blank on the front. You don't know if you're gonna see a GW. It could be another one of those swirl scratched in pattern with the bullseye in the center like that last one. That was broken too. I wonder if it's because we're in the cart road and these things are getting run over. That's probably a good assumption. This one has silver gilt still. Alright, let's go, baby. Ooh, that's Colonial. See the hump there? Ooh, oh. Dude, if that said GW, it would be worth a fortune. This is a Colonial what some people call dandies, what they call a dandy button in England. I always call the Colonial coat button. This one retains. I'm going to soak this in a little bit of lemon juice. It's got like 99% of its silver gilt on it. This is freaking sick. And this site is sick, and we're saving history here. I'm sharpen my shovel, chop them down. I bet you there's another button or two under all this crap. Well, it must be thimble day. I think my last target was a thimble, and Heather walked over with an even better one. Look at that. Nice big brass thimble. Cool. My nose is running. Alright, we're doing pretty well here. Saving what we can. Something out here reading like a button or something. Might be another shotgun shell. How about a button to add to the pile? Growing pile there. Yeah, that's how you do it. There was no such thing as a pinpointer when I started out. Grab a handful. Oh, what do we got? What do we got? Oh, yeah, damn, I thought that was a freaking bust dime at first. It's another Colonial button, though. This has been button day, which ain't a bad thing. Love this little coil. People, Goliath coil. The Goliath, because it's 15-inch double D by Mars. Alright, I'm heading down to the sawmill foundation. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there. You can kind of see the stream going down. That was their water source. This is that cart road in that I was working before. And headed down that way again. A nice signal here. There's 72. It's jumpy, but 76. Let's see. How about a King George copper? We're due here, we're due. Alright, it's out and it's jumped up to a 78. This could be coinage. Let's hope. I'm due here. We're due for some coins. The first quick hunt at this place, 2 coppers did come up. Today it's been all buttons, so let's see, baby. Wait for that big round disc to show itself. I'm grabbing all these handfuls and it's sitting at the bottom. Looks like a coin. Looks like a King George copper! Oh, I knew it. I knew we would do. Yep, this ain't no button. And this might have something on it. Hell yeah! Coinage! Dang! Just what I said. This road's been good to us. This one's right off the road, probably on the path down to the mill. Yeah, let's wait. Who's got the newbie juice? Alright, well, I fingernailed this side and now I can see the bust right facing head. It's a large size head. Again, it's super thin, so I'm thinking it's a British copper. And nice patina on this side, so hopefully we'll get a date. Ooh, damn! Oh yeah! 81 and ain't moving. Just moved to 82. Good sign. It's either a friggin' can or a copper. Oh, it ain't. Oh, now I see. It's not back-to-back coppers, but I can see why it read like a copper. It's a heavy brass buckle. Pretty cool there. Let's keep going. this out. Let's see if we can find it together. All right, in the hand. Oh, there it is. Another button. This place is early. Oh, it's pewter again. They're all busted because they're pewter, but pewter means old. Oh, damn, this is like cast pewter. This is like mid-1700s. It's a cast line right across there. Damn. All right. Oh, there's more. I always check the hole. Sometimes you get 2 or 3 in the same hole. See? Ooh, even better. Where are you? There's got to be another little button, probably the same. Oh, damn! Look at that! It's a freaking dandy, another one! Whoa! I saw that side, so I don't see no GW. This is another pewter dandy, and this one is perfect. This place is sick! Ooh, something out. Sounds good. Ooh, looks good! Look at that! Silver gilt on this one. I love this sandy soil. Ooh, look it. Perfect patina. I want to find a GW here, have that come out like that. Be worth thousands. Profit over passion. What I love about this site is this was not active to the turn of the century. We're not finding crappy lamp pots and Indian heads and stuff like that. This site probably burned down Civil War era. Everything here is old. This is the newest button so far. 70. 71, 70. We got something. Oh, 72, she's out, baby, she's out. Come on, big disc. Big old coat button. Dan Diesel. Where you at? Oh, there it is, I just felt it, yes. It is another big, oh, another busted one too. You know what, these things are pewter. That's what it is. These are that fragile pewter ones, so they're all broken. But hey, it's another Colonial coat button from this sick Colonial virgin site. Oh, holy crap, look at this. A footbridge. I've never seen this before. I'm branching out a little bit. A freaking footbridge. Maybe it was a full bridge at one time. Over this river. And this is the river that powered their little sawmill and also probably their drinking water. Still running. Picturesque site, as most of mine are. There's New England History 101 in my videos. Alright, let's see if the footbridge pays off. Had to have foot traffic, right? Ooh, what's this? Oh, I thought it was a shotgun shell. No, it ain't. Oh yeah, it's a dome button. Dang. Oh man, a lot of these domes usually have like eagles on them or some shit. Some stuff. Sorry, family show here. It's another freaking early button. 1812 era, something like that. 1830 at best. With the shank there. Dang! You can hear the river running behind me. Right in front of the footbridge. Ooh, something big down in the hole. Big piece of iron. What is this? A stirrup or something? Oh no! Oh, hippie! I'm sorry, it's bent. You would still probably make it out to be a great find, so I will make you fetch it. Ready? Go into the water. Oh, I missed. Sorry. Alright, here's the final tally. Did pretty well. Happy with that. It's like 3 dandy coat buttons. Almost everything's Colonial except for that button right there with the back mark. It says plated or something. Yeah, old rum bottle tops. Good day. Couple buckles. Yeah. This hunt has been, wait for it, wait for it. We out of here.